Well, the final one of the Adams China dinner plates, Cries of London. This one is sweet China oranges sweet, and this is the 10 and 5/8 inch, I think from memory, diameter dinner plates with the brown uncoloured rims. Condition notes on this one: we have got some very fine glaze crazing, as you can see. No staining, but it's almost universally crazed through, and that's quite apparent again on the rear. If I bring that into focus, you can see the fine cracks running universally throughout the glaze. These are age related crazing caused by the different thermal properties from the glaze and the underlying china. Other than that though, the glaze is pretty good, unused. No knife marks or anything on it. If I get a glaze reflection on there, you can see. Don't think they've been used at all as dinner plates during their life. This set probably just on display, and they do make a fine dresser display if you are looking for that period English country house look. Cries of London from Adams in this brown and white transfer with the hand colouring makes a really fine display on any dresser. We'll pop a link in the description below, which will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these dinner plates are going on sale. Got one of these. We've got 4 other different versions and a few other on catalogues as well, so a possibility to put a selection together, though some of them are 10 inch and some 10.5 inch. They did make them in a variety of sizes, so do put a tape measure across what you've got if you're looking to increase your collection to make sure you get an identical diameter dinner plate, because as I say, they are made in a complete range of different sizes going up in 1/4 inch gradients. Thanks for watching.